OpenAI just dropped SORA 2, and my feed basically turned into an AI circus overnight. Billions of views. People making movie scenes out of thin air. It's wild. But here's what nobody's really asking. Can this thing actually make money? So I tried something crazy. I took one of those viral TikTok ads and rebuilt it using nothing but AI. And this video you're seeing right now, not filmed by a human. No studio, no camera, nothing, but only AI. So if you're still shooting UGC the old school way, yeah, you're already behind. Because Topview AI has just cracked the code for UGC content. They've taken OpenAI's new SORA 2 model, the same tech behind all these viral AI videos, and turned it into the ultimate business weapon. Let's test it, end to end. Picture this. Your competitor just went viral. You're scrolling, seeing their ad everywhere, and it's driving you crazy. Now imagine you could recreate that same ad, same vibe, same energy, but with your product in just a few clicks. All you do is upload a photo of your product, drop in the viral video you want to recreate, write one quick prompt, and boom, AI builds the whole thing for you. I've been testing this for a week now, and honestly, it feels like a cheat code for businesses. Recreating proven viral videos is still the #1 strategy on social media, and now you don't even need to hire a creator or shoot anything yourself. Okay, let's jump into Topview, and I'll show you exactly how it works so you can start recreating your competitors' viral content. Okay, to test this tool properly with you guys, I'm going to use 2 different products, a small makeup product and a pair of jeans. This should give us a solid idea of how powerful the new SORA 2 model really is for creating UGC videos. So, let's see just how good this is. If you want to follow along and try this with me, go to the top link in the description and head over to Topview AI. Here, click Try Video Agent. That's their feature that lets you recreate viral videos from scratch. Here, we need to upload an image of our product and a reference video for what we want our ad to look like. So let's go to my first example product, a pair of viral TikTok jeans. For this test, I went to Calodata and found one of the highest selling products this week, which were these jeans. Then I checked which creators were promoting them the best and found this one particular video from a UGC creator. The data showed her video was performing insanely well, so that's the one I downloaded as my reference. Now I'm back inside Topview AI. I've uploaded the jeans photo as my product image. You can actually upload up to 6 images and even paste a direct link to your product, which makes it super easy. Then I uploaded the video as my reference, and that's all you need to get started. You'll also notice here that one SORA 2 video equals 5 credits, and right now it's on a beta discount, so if you're testing things out, it's the perfect time to try. Okay, now after analyzing, it's given me a quick product questionnaire. The agent basically wants to make sure it has all the right details before generating the video. It's asking, who are the main users of the product? What are the product's key selling points? And what are your target countries? I actually love this step because it doesn't just guess, it confirms everything before building the ad. So for this example, I'll choose fashion enthusiasts and office workers as the main product users. For selling points, I'll add loose fitting and also all other options that's already given. Then I'll keep the country the same and leave everything else as it is, and click confirm. Now, the agent's building what it calls a smart plan for creating this video. Basically, it's walking through the whole process, summarizing the product information, drafting a video brief, analyzing the reference video, designing the storyboard, generating the shots, and finally, giving you a chance to make any tweaks before finalizing. On the left-hand side, you can already see a full product description straight from the photo we uploaded, and honestly, it's surprisingly detailed. It lists out all the key features, materials, and style elements. Then right below that, it's created a short video brief, outlining what the ad could be about, who the target audience is, and the main selling points it'll highlight. For this example, it's generated something like wide leg jeans. For young women, elastic waistband, high-waisted design. Pretty accurate, right? Then it starts analyzing our reference video, breaking down its structure, pacing, and why that particular clip performs so well online. Once that analysis is done, the agent creates a full storyboard that mirrors that successful style. Now, you can actually see it's built out the storyboard. There's a short summary of what the ad's about, and then individual shots, shot 1, shot 2. Each one has its own angle, focus, and action cue, like model walking towards camera, close-up on back of jeans, stretch the elastic waistbands, and so on. At this point, it asks you to review everything before generating the video. So just give it a quick skim. If you're happy with how the shots look, you can click I confirm, proceed to the next step. Quick tip though, always read through the shots at least once. The AI is smart, but it doesn't know your brand tone or visual preferences the way you do. Once that's confirmed, the video generation starts. The AI goes through each shot, renders them, and then automatically edits everything together. I'll give it a few seconds to finish loading. Okay, the video's ready, let's check it out. Oh my god, we're literally cooked. How insane is that? It's got multiple smooth shots. She's holding the jeans, showing the stretch on the waistband, even matching the style of the original video. That's crazy. And you can literally download it right away or make extra edits to fine-tune it for your final ad. Let me know in the comments. Does this kind of tech freak you out a little, or are you in the AI is the future camp? Because honestly, it feels like the internet all over again. It's happening whether we like it or not. The best move is to learn it, use it, and hope the robots stay friendly. And if you want me to test this tool by making your promotional videos, like for your website or digital products, where you don't have to do any manual editing, animations, or SFX yourself, it's all handled by this tool. Just drop a comment or DM me, and I'll make one for you. Alright, let's move on to example 2. And this one's going to be a makeup product. I have a feeling this is going to crush it, especially since those jeans were a bit more complex. Now, we've seen AI UGC avatars hold makeup before, but SORA takes it up a notch. It can actually show the product being used. That's something we haven't really seen before in AI-generated videos. So this is going to be a perfect test to see how realistic it can actually get. To find the product, I just hopped on TikTok, no login, nothing fancy, and searched for UGC makeup. Instantly, this girl's video popped up. She clearly does paid UGC work. She even mentions it in her bio. So I figured, perfect. Let's feed her video into the AI and see if it can recreate that same human influencer style vibe. Let me show you the clip I'm using for reference. See this part right here, where she's applying the sunscreen on her face? That's the exact kind of natural tactile motion I want to test. If the AI can pull that off convincingly, that's going to be wild. So just like before, I'm dragging in the product image first, then uploading the reference video. Once both are in, and then I just hit generate. Okay, so again, it's giving me a product questionnaire. So for this one, I'm going to click skincare enthusiast, makeup lovers, and busy professionals. Then for the product's selling points, I'm going to add high SPF 50, medium coverage, and also the next two options. Then again, I'm going to keep the country the same and everything else the same, and click generate. Okay, so like before, it's going to create a smart plan. It'll get the product description and then ask us to confirm if the product description is correct. Then it's going to plan the video brief and start mapping out the video shots. So now we've got the video outline and the shot list. It's going to ask if the storyboard is suitable. I'm going to click yes, it is. And then it'll start generating the video. And if you want to change anything in the shot like the character, action, or camera angle, you totally can. It's super smooth. I actually did that here because my first video wasn't that great, so I made a few tweaks. Switched the user to a girl, and the AI refined the entire video perfectly to match my preferences. Okay, back to where we were. Let me show you guys the final results of our makeup product.
I am obsessed with this new tinted sunscreen from Fairy Skin. Look at that incredible glow. It has SPF 50 and gives the most perfect medium coverage. I don't even need foundation anymore. This is my absolute go-to for summer. It's perfect.
Like what? It's got that crazy human ASMR style delivery. See that? That's insane. You can't deny that. That's actually blowing my mind. Yeah, we're literally cooked. That's a ready-to-go piece of UGC content fully made by AI. If you sell this product, you could upload this straight to your website, run it as meta ads, and start getting conversions. If anyone in the comments thinks I'm overhyping this brand, flame me all you want. But that's a standalone, ready-to-market UGC video made by AI. Well guys, it's official. I'm stamping it right now. Good AI UGC content is officially here. So if you want to go and have a play around generating this insane AI UGC content for your products, it'll be the top link in the description. I've actually partnered with Topview AI, and they've hooked you guys up with a special discount code so you can go test this out for yourself. But that's a wrap on the video, guys. Let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on how real AI is getting right now? Does it excite you? Does it scare you? Honestly, there's a part of me that's kind of terrified because it's getting more and more indistinguishable from real human content. So yeah, that's a wrap on today's video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.